Okay, welcome back student. In this session we are learning homologous series. Homologous series. What is homologous series? The series of carbon compound in series of carbon compounds in which two successive compounds successive compounds differs and differ by CH2 unit is called homologous series. Okay. See what said in homologous series? The series of carbon compound in which two successive compounds differ by CH2 units is called homologous series. See, homologous series means is a same is there alkyl group and it is a alcohol group. See, for example, we have to learn here methane. See, one is a methane is there, ethane is there, and propane is there, and butane also is there. Okay. See, these are examples of the methane, ethane, propane and butane. See these four examples. Now we have to see the just one hydrogen is replaced and adding to the alcohol group. See, we are calling this one. See, it will be converted into CH2 replaced by one hydrogen and one hydrogen. For example, see, this is a OH group is there. OH group is adding here and replaced by this hydrogen. See what will form here? CH3OH. Okay, CH3OH. Here also we have to see here is the C2H5 and H. See, it is just replace the hydrogen and adding to this place per OH group, and we are calling this one C2H5OH. Okay. Next we have to see here also C3H7H means H is replaced and here is adding to the OH group. See this line, number of, it is what said the series of carbon compound which two successive compound differ by CH2 unit. See what is the difference here? Only CH2 unit only difference here. And see, we have to see the next here also we have to see C4H9 plus H. So it is replace the H and adding to this OH group. See, we are calling this is a, see here, C2H7OH. Here also C4H9OH. Means what will happen? See, one hydrogen is replaced. We are calling the here methyl. What do you calling? Methyl. Okay. Here also one hydrogen is replaced. We are called ethane. Ethyl. See, ethyl. And here is a propyl. 4 carbons. Butyl. Next, we have to add to the just alcohol group. See, we have to write the alcohol, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, okay, propyl alcohol, and here also butyl alcohol. Okay, have you observed here? See, just in between the CH3, C2H5, see, just is a 2 units. 2 units. It is a difference. See here once CH3, and add to the CH2. See what will happen? C2H5. Okay. See, just a difference is a CH2 unit. CH2 units. This one. Here also we have to see the propyl and alcohol. See, here also CH2 unit only. Difference is there. We are calling this is a methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol. If you observe above series of compound, you will notice that each compound in the series differ by CH2 unit. Each one is a CH2 unit. See here C2H5. Here is a C3H7. Means is a only 2 units is different. Okay. Next we have to see the homologous series of their properties or characteristics. Is this understand? Okay. See, you have to write this definition and you have to write this like examples. It is enough. Next we have to go to characteristics of the homologous series or properties of the homologous series. Okay. Properties of homologous series. Properties of homologous series. Properties of homologous series. We have to learn. Okay. Properties of homologous series. What is the property? See, you have to write the 4 properties is the main important. They have one general formula. See, they have one general formula. Have one general formula. General formula is there. What is? It is a example alkanes. What is the alkanes? What is the general formula of alkane? CnH2n plus 2. So it is a general formula of alkane. Okay. Next we have to see the alkynes. Alkynes. CnH2n minus 2. Okay. Next we have to see the alcohol. See, alcohols also is there. See, alcohols. alcohols. See, CN H2N plus 2. See here, add to the OH group. OH group. See, these are a alcohols. Next we have to see the next second. See, successive homologous in the series passes a difference of CH2 unit. See, we already learned it is a, here is a difference is a CH2 unit. See, we have to write this like CH2 unit. Two successive compounds, two successive carbon compounds, it is a only CH2 units is a different, and they possess the similar chemical property due to the some functional group. They possess the they possess the similar chemical properties. Possesses similar chemical properties due to the same functional group, due to the same functional group. Same functional groups. See, we have to see the same functional group is there. For example, we have to see the possess alcohols, aldehydes, carboxylic acids. These are a functional group. See, this like examples. COH. See, these are a alcohols. And CHO. See, CHO. See, this is a aldehyde. See, this is a alcohol, and this is a aldehyde. Okay. Next, we have to see the what do you call it? Carboxylic acid also, and carboxylic acid. See, this is a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Okay. See, you have to write the, these are a same functional groups is present. Next, they show the regular gradation in their physical properties. They show the regular gradations in physical properties. We have to see the their melting, boiling. See, we have to see in your book also is there number of examples.